Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a 700ml Karcher snow foam bottle. This particular one has the Karcher male bayonet adapter on it. So if you have a Karcher domestic pressure washer, this is going to fit it for you. So this will just push and twist into the Karcher domestic trigger gun. So any of the Karcher K series, the K2, the K3, K4, K5 or K7 domestic pressure washers, or indeed if you've got any of the new Karcher, the Comfort, the Home or the full control models, this particular adapter is the one that's on your lance. So remove your lance and push in this foam bottle. The way that it operates is that as the water flies by, it forms a venturi on the little filter on the bottom on the detergent pipe, sucks up the detergent and shoots it out the other end. You'll notice that the nozzle, if you twist it on the end, I don't know whether you can see there, you can see the valve moving inside. That allows you to alter the fan jet or the width of the nozzle, so you can throw your foam on as a narrow nozzle or indeed as a wide fan jet. The little yellow knob on the top here allows you to vary or alter the suction of the detergent, so you can alter the amount of detergent that's going onto the vehicle as well. So that's the 700ml Karcher foam bottle.